In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll feel confident creating, customizing and sending a professional invoice your client can pay right from their email. First, open GoHighLevel and head to the billing area. Click Payments, then select Invoices and Estimates. This is your hub for managing all invoice activity, so it's a great place to keep things organized and track what's been sent or is still in draft. Next, create a new invoice by clicking the plus New Invoice button. This opens a clean invoice template where you can add your customer details and line items. Under Customer Information, click Select Customer. Choose an existing contact, or create a new contact if this is someone you haven't billed before. Make sure the contact has a valid email address, since that's where the invoice will be delivered and where they'll access the payment link. Now set your invoice details. Fill in the invoice number, the issue date, and the due date. A consistent numbering format helps with bookkeeping, and a clear due date sets expectations for payment. If you're aligning with company policies, match the numbering convention you already use. Before we continue, quick note. I've placed the official website link and the mobile app download link for GoHighLevel right at the top of the description, so you can jump in from your browser or install the app easily. Let's add your items. Click plus Add Product, then enter the item name, price, and quantity. Use clear, descriptive names so your customer understands exactly what they're paying for. As you add items, you'll see the total update automatically on the right side, which makes it easy to confirm accuracy at a glance. If you need to adjust the total, you can add a discount or apply tax. Click Add Discount to reduce the price, or click Add Tax to include your applicable rate. Make sure your tax setup reflects your local requirements so the invoice stays compliant. When everything looks good, decide whether to save or send. In the top right corner, click Save to keep the invoice as a draft if you want to review it later, or get internal approval. If you're ready to go, click Send to deliver the invoice immediately. After you click Send, the invoice is emailed to your customer, and they'll receive a secure payment link to complete the transaction online. Double-check your details before sending to avoid follow-ups or corrections. That's it. You've created and sent an invoice in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.